Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special treat for you just in time for the festive season. Feast your eyes on this execute pure Georgette 4-dye Zari Patta work saree, price at an incredible 1299 rupees. Let's dive right into of this stunning piece. A memorizing saree made with pure Georgette fabric known for its lightweight and elegant drape. The 4-day Patta Zari work add a touch of regal charm to this festive assemble. Now let's examine the intricate detail up close. The magnificent zari work meticulously turned the pallu border and body of the sari. Each thread is woven with precious, creating a breathtaking pattern that reflect the festive spirit. The contrasting color beautiful complement each other, making it a true delight for the eye. The fabric feels incredible soft against the skin, ensuring utmost comfort throughout the day. Its lightweight nature makes it easy to carry, allowing you to effortlessly glide through any festive occasion. With its timeless design, this saree is perfect for both traditional and contemporary event. To maintain the saree luster appearances, it is best to hand wash it with care. This will present its beauty for year to come, ensuring you make a statement every time you wear it. So guys, the pure Georgette 4-dye Zari work saree 1299 rupees saree is a true gem that capture the essence of the festive season. It incredible Zari work and luxurious fabric make it must have for any fashion enthusiast. Make a lasting impression with this enhancing piece. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more fabulous fashion update and stay stylish. And until next time. And guys, if you want to purchase this saree, then also link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.